Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, back up your data, and enable unknown sources so APKs can install. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Next, download the 3 core APKs: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and Google Play Store in that order. You're downloading but not installing all at once. Download each compatible APK version, matching Android level and ARM architecture. This prevents install failure. Begin installation with Google Services Framework and grant its permissions. After that installation finishes, reboot the device to register system changes. Once rebooted, install Google Play Services, accepting location and background permissions. This component is heavy, so be patient. Finally, install Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. If the default installer throws errors, use a dedicated APK installer app and pick the matching APK variants. Make sure versions are compatible to avoid signature or dependency conflicts. After signing into the Play Store, let it update Google Play Services and any Google apps. This completes integration for most features. If apps crash or account fails to sync, clear cache and data for Play Services and Play Store, then reboot and try again. Make sure background data and auto start are enabled for those apps. If problems persist, reinstall the exact matching APK set you used originally. As a final step, a factory reset can resolve deep conflicts, but only after you've backed up everything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.